Are you tired of watching other people make thousands online while you are stuck wondering how they do it? Well, what if I told you there is now a way to build your own AI-powered app business in less than 60 seconds? No coding, no tech skills, no monthly fees. Sounds impossible? Then keep watching, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can use a brand new platform called MagicApps AI to create your own profitable AI apps, and even sell them for 100% profit. So, what exactly is MagicApps AI? It is a powerful AI app builder that lets you create fully functional software apps with just a few clicks. You can choose from over 270 pre-built templates in almost every niche you can imagine, from marketing tools, business automation, e-commerce helpers, and content creators, to AI writing assistants. The best part? You can customize everything: your logo, your colors, your brand name, even your own domain. That means you are not promoting someone else's product, you are launching your own AI business brand. And once your app is live, you can sell it to clients, license it, or even bundle it with your own offers, and keep 100% of the profits. Why this is a huge opportunity? Let's be honest, the AI wave is not slowing down. Right now, people are making thousands every month selling AI tools on sites like AppSumo, Gumroad, and even Fiverr. But the problem is, most people have no idea how to build these apps. Developers charge thousands to create even a simple one. That's where MagicApps AI changes everything. With this tool, you can instantly create done-for-you AI apps, rebrand them as your own, and sell them anywhere, without touching a single line of code. You can literally start your own AI SaaS business this week, even if you have zero tech background. And since this is a white label platform, your customers will never know it was made using MagicApps AI. You get full ownership and total control. Now, let's talk about what makes this software stand out. You get 270+ ready-to-use templates, covering almost every online business niche. It includes commercial and reseller rights, so you can sell these apps legally and keep all the profits. You can use your own custom domain to make your app look like a real brand. You get step-by-step video training showing you exactly how to set up, customize, and sell your apps. And the biggest one, no monthly fees. You pay once and own it for life. Plus, they are currently running a limited-time launch deal, which means you can get lifetime access at a super low price before it switches to monthly pricing. Alright, so how can you actually make money with MagicApps AI? Let me break it down. 1. Sell apps directly. Create an app and sell it to clients like coaches, agencies, or small businesses. 2. Launch your own AI brand. Create multiple apps under one brand and sell subscriptions. 3. Offer app creation as a service. Use MagicApps AI to build custom apps for others. 4. Bundle apps with your existing business. If you already sell digital products or courses, add your app as a bonus or upgrade offer. There are literally endless ways to monetize this. And because the tool handles all the tech for you, you just focus on branding and selling. Now, I always keep it real with you. Is this going to make you rich overnight? No. You still need to put in the work, learn the platform, set up your branding, and market your apps. But here is what I love. It gives you a real business opportunity, something you can build on for the long term. Instead of chasing the next quick-fix side hustle, this actually gives you digital assets that you own and control. And with the current one-time pricing and 30-day money-back guarantee, there's basically zero risk in trying it. Before we wrap up, quick disclosure. The link below is my affiliate link. That means if you decide to grab MagicApps AI through my link, I'll earn a small commission, at no extra cost to you. It helps support this channel and allows me to keep testing and reviewing the latest make-money online tools for you. So if you are serious about building income online and want to tap into the AI revolution, click the link in the description right now, check out MagicApps AI, and see how fast you can launch your first app today. If you got value from this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more make-money online content, and drop a comment below telling me what kind of AI app you'd love to build first. This is AI Nexus helping you turn AI into income, and I will see you in the next one.